In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your P-EBT card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use your P-EBT card after you have acquired and activated through the specific phone number listed at the back of the card. So if you still need to activate your P-EBT card, make sure that you call the number listed at the back. Once you have your P-EBT card ready to go, properly activated, you will be able to use it anywhere where you see that EBT or SNAP benefits are accepted. So usually, you will be able to look for stores that display signs saying we accept EBT or we accept SNAP here. Most major grocery stores and many smaller shops will accept P-EBT cards. And I have some examples here because you will also be able to use the card online. So on places like Walmart, Amazon, and even Instacart, you will be able to shop using your EBT card. You will be able to browse through eligible products. So fresh, canned, frozen food items such as fruits and vegetables, meat and fish, dairy products and eggs, bread and cereals, and also seeds and plants to grow your own food. Non-eligible items are going to include hot prepared meals or restaurant meals, and non-food items like alcohol, tobacco, paper products, or cleaning supplies, and also pet food. So using your EBT card is extremely simple. If you are on a physical location, just go over to checkout and swipe your EBT card at the checkout terminal, just like a debit card. Select the EBT option when prompted on the display and enter your 4-digit PIN. The 4-digit PIN has been set up once you called the activation number. The cashier will complete the transaction and you will receive a receipt showing the remaining balance on your EBT card. Alternatively, if you want to do it online on places such as Amazon, Instacart, or Walmart, all that you have to do is look for items that have the EBT tag. Once you browse through items that are eligible with EBT, you will be able to add them to your cart as long as they have the EBT tag displayed somewhere, and you will be able to finish making this purchase using your EBT card. So as you can see, here are a bunch of examples of places that have EBT enabled delivery and eligible products. Just add them to your cart, and once it is done, you will be able to choose to use the EBT card as payment for a specific order. I hope I was able to help you on how to use P-EBT card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.